Okay, so we're going to get started with Final Cut Pro. And first thing we're going to do is create a library. So I'm going to click on library. It's going to bring up this square right here. Now I'm going to set up a new library. This isn't an external hard drive, and that's a completely different library. So I'm going to go ahead and click on there. And I'm just going to call this, I'm going to call it March of 2023, because that's the month that we're in. And I'm just going to hit save. Bam. And then there we are up here. If you notice, we've got March of 2023, right? So now let's go ahead and let's import some media. I've shot some video on this on how to use Facebook Marketplace. So I want to put that in there. So I'm going to push this. This is connected. This is a USB-C connected in the back of the computer. So I'm just going to push it in there like that. I'm going to set it down over here. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to click on File and we're going to click Import Media. I'm going to click on Media. And then it's going to give me a window in the center of the screen. There we go. And if you notice, it's got all these external hard drives. That's why it took so long to open. But and it's got the desktop here. We could import from the desktop. We can import from any one of these external hard drives. But we want to go to this iPhone here. And you'll notice that this is filling. So once that fills all the way, that means that we can go ahead and we can slide down and pick some video to import. And so what I want to do is I want to import this video right here, just one. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to hit Import Select. I'm going to click on that. And then we should see it come over here and you'll see it filling. All right, so here we are. We've got a clip here, right? So if I click on it, it's highlighted. Now I have to create a project. If I try to pull it down in here, nothing happens, right? So you'll notice it's got new project. I could click here or I could come up here and click new project. It's your choice. So let's go ahead and we'll do this. And it's going to give me a window and I'm going to name the project Facebook Marketplace. All right, we'll just call it that. I'm just doing it for expediency. And then I'm going to hit OK. And now we've got a project. So now I can bring it down in there. I click on it and I can come over here and I could click on this little box here where it says select a clip to the primary storyline or select the storyline E. But so I've got this highlighted. There's only one clip in here, so it's going to go there. When I click here, it'll pop down there. Bam. Now, if you didn't want to do that, you could just go Command Z. It takes it out, or you could grab it and pull it down like that. Two ways you can do it. Now you've started your basically your timeline, and you can listen to it. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do bam, and you can see it's playing up here, and that's how you get started in Final Cut Pro. Create your library, import a little bit of media from an iPhone, and how to drop your clip into your library or import it, and how to take that clip, create a new project, and how to drop that clip into the project timeline. This is the project's timeline here. And we're going to continue to do this and show you how to use Final Cut Pro. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this software. Peace out.